So this is the first job that we have, which is for the security analyst. 3 to 6 years of experience is required. That is for the Mumbai location, and that is immediate joining, right? Responsibility is like you need to work as a SOC analyst, where you can see you need to take care of Wazoo, SIM, Microsoft Defender, firewall, server, log, investigation, security incident. Like it's more like incident responder and incident monitoring person, right? There are the skills you can see mostly the monitoring tool, SIM, Wazoo, Defender, FortiGate, Linux, and all those things is there. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your mail to get selected, right? Now let me proceed with something further, right? And now the next job opening we have is uh, OT security engineer, 5 to 7 years of experience required. This required experience, by the way. Trivastron is a company name, ICS, cybersecurity industry, and all those things. Mumbai is the location, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume to get selected. Right now, the next is cybersecurity engineer. It's a Lucknow-based job. 3 to 6 years experience experience required. That is for the cybersecurity engineer. And they're the requirement. You can pause this video and check it out. What exactly they are looking for. They are the locations, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. By the way, company name is ABC Publishing. Now next is there is 80 plus opening in India actually. First is VAPT specialist, 30 opening is there. Second is GRC, third is SOC analyst. You can see all those things, the requirement and everything. Like first required 5 plus years, and by the way, second and third I feel that's good, right? Second, then you can see like location is tier 2 city across India. Relocated candidates are welcome. Second is ravi.am@indywise.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Subject is role. Like this is what you need to add into subject type. Role, city, current city, expected city, relocation, yes or no. And then like VAPT specialist, Pune, 12 lakh per annum, 18 years, lakh per annum. Relocation, yes, you need to relocate. Next is VAPT again. Cybersecurity person who should have experience in all those things. 6 plus years of experience required. Location is Delhi and Bangalore. Strong understanding of application, network infra. Like why need to join to check out all those things. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now next is hiring for SIM. CTS Tech is what you can join. 4 to 10 years of experience required, and Mumbai Pune will be the location, right? There are the key skills which is required. Microsoft Sentinel 1, architecture and design, SIM, migration, KQL and Splunk, SPL rule translation, and all those things you will see here. Preferred certificate is Microsoft SC200 Splunk certificate, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. CTS Tech is the company name on which you can drop, right? Now next is cybersecurity team, all level of things they're hiring, 1 to 2 years experience and all those things. Info Unlimited Innovation is the company name where you're going to apply. So that's what we have, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please drop in the chat box. By the way, we have a Hindi channel, Cyber Coffee. You can watch it tomorrow morning 7 a.m. There's a very good video which is coming. And if you are looking for training of internship program in web application pen testing, check out this year. If you're looking for associate training of internship program, check out this. So thank you very much. Have a great day.